So today I'm going to talk to you about how you pull in properties, meaning how you can sort your properties. You can have, for instance, Arizona Grand Canyon Estates area and only contain the properties that is from that location. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to do that and to automate the system to where all you have to do is create the product and it goes to the collection that it's supposed to be in. Let me explain further. So if I click on Grand Canyon Estates, it takes you to an area page, right? To where it shows you all of the properties that are on that page, or all the properties that are within Arizona Grand Canyon Estates. So in order to do that, you're going to have to do several things. One is you go to a collection that you created. In this case, it's Grand Canyon Estates area. And I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to scroll down. And right now, I only have one property in place. That's Arizona. This is the property in place. And in order to add another property in here, we have to set a condition. And that property has to meet that condition in order to be added to this collection. The condition that I have in place right here is this. The product must match the title. So in this case, the product title must contain Grand Canyon in order for the property to be put into this collection. So this property right here has the word Grand Canyon in it. So that's why it's going to be put into here. If I were to take a different property, let's see. If I were to take a different property, say this one. If I were to say this is from Grand Canyon, and then I hit save, what it's going to do, it's actually going to automatically group that in here because it has Grand Canyon in the actual product title. And so what this does is it makes it super easy to group everything because all you have to do is set several conditions in place, and then from there on you can just continue to add products and they'll be added in the correct collection. So if I go to the live side here, I can hit refresh and I should be able to see this new property in place. Yep. Because it has the phrase Grand Canyon in it, it's going to show up on the Grand Canyon area page. Hope that makes sense.